So today we're going to talk about how to make or how to make someone else a teacher or a designer. So you're going to go to whatever course it is that you need to make someone a designer in, or a teacher, or whatever it is that you need. You're going to go to people. Ignore the fact that my thing has nothing on it. I don't know why that is the case. You're going to add people. And we're going to go with T. Langley at fwps.org. And we're going to go with teacher. And I'm not going to say they can only interact with users in their section only. And then I'm going to click next. And done. That's it.